Hello, welcome to this video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can make a deposit in your Utrading account and also how you can activate it. So the first thing is, once you've come in here, by now you will have binded your wallet, you will have binded your Utrading to your Bybit or Bitget, whichever one you're using. So you click on deposit, and you're going to select the coin you want to transfer. So let's select USDT. So it's on USDT, so you select the particular one we want. So let's use this recommended, which is 𝐅𝐵TRUM1. So you click on next. It's already on next. So you copy the 𝐅𝐵TRUM1 wallet. Click on this place to copy it, and once you copy it, you go to your exchange. So I'll be using my Bitget for this. So the next thing you need to do is to come to your assets. You can still use the same in Bybit and Binance. So come to your assets, you go to withdraw because you want to make a withdrawal. So you go to withdraw. So you go to withdraw. So now it's on withdraw. So I will click on the USDT, though I'm not going to transfer, I just want to show you. So you click on chain, then the network is what I'm going to select, which is 𝐅𝐵TRUM1. So you click on network. The same thing you do it in any exchange you're using. Just click on the withdrawal network. You're going to select 𝐅𝐵TRUM network. I think it's network. Let me refresh. So you click on network, and you're going to see different networks here under USDT. So remember that what we copied was 𝐅𝐵TRUM1. So this is 𝐅𝐵TRUM1 here, 𝐅𝐵TRUM1, right? So I'll click on 𝐅𝐵TRUM1, then I'll paste the wallet address here. Now I'll put $95. So I can't transfer because I'm not doing it now. Now remember, if you're using Bitget, then you need to do more than that. You see the charges, I'll remove it. So you're going to do 95.5, so that you have more than 95 or 95.2. Yes, so the charges is going to be there. So everything is complete now, you understand? So that is it. So you'll be able to send the money. So once you send it, it will reflect. So let's go back to the application. So once the money reflects, you come back to your app and you click on assets. Click on assets, which is this one here. Click on assets. So once you click on asset, you click on store. Go to store. Then you go to store. So provided the money have reflected, you'll be seeing it there. So once you get to store, whichever one you sent, if it's this one, just click on this. You understand? So, and you will see buy. So when you see buy, you're going to be seeing the balance you have here. You understand? So this is the demand, and the balance should be showing here. Then you click on buy, and that is all. It will be purchased and you will be good to go. Now after doing this, doing the subscription, you take the next video to set up your trade. Alright, so thank you for watching and see you in my next video.